Hello, first grade families. I thought I would send out a quick video with the newsletter this week. Your students are working hard. They have filled up another heart chart. We haven't voted yet on what the prize is going to be, but they're really excited, and then they've started earning their next prize already. So thank you for sending them with a positive attitude and ready to work every day. Also, I can't believe it's the middle of October. I can't believe today is October 15th. This month is flying by. A couple of important reminders, and this is why I wanted to send out a video, is that tonight is our literacy night. It's online. I have in this email is the Zoom link. Also coming home today is a packet to parents and families about some of the things we're going to review tonight. You do not have to attend tonight. If you're not able to make it, there's some good information in this packet. But if you are able to make it, please look in your child's backpack for this packet. It will be helpful to have tonight. Also, snacks. We got a lot of snacks right at the beginning of the year, and we did great with that. Now we're switching to individual snacks, and we're just about out of the group snacks. So starting Monday, please send an individual snack with your student to have during snack time. I highly recommend something that's prepackaged or in a baggie, easy to eat. Please don't send anything that needs a utensil or that might make a mess. We just try to eat while we're working, so it needs to be quick and easy to eat. Also, we are really trying not to use the water fountains with our mouth. We would like students to have a water bottle to be able to use at our fill-up station and then use in the classroom. Because of COVID-19, we're trying to cut down on students putting their mouth anywhere near the water fountain. So if you can please make sure that your student has a water bottle every day, that would be great. Some students bring it in on Monday and leave it until Friday, and then take it home over the weekend to wash it and then bring it back on Monday. That would be really helpful. Also, if you are unable to provide a water bottle for your student, that's okay. Please send me an email and I can see if we can get a water bottle for them here at school. I really appreciate your support with that. And we as a school have done such a great job with COVID and keeping everybody safe and happy and healthy. And we'd just like that to continue as we travel further into the school year. As always, if you have any questions, please send me an email. I'm always available, and I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you tonight at 6 o'clock for our literacy night.